Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to change a language on PC on Windows 11. So here, first of all you need to do here is just a quick and easy tutorial. You just need to go here on the search box right here at the bottom, and we're gonna type right here language. And here, just need to click on the language settings right over there. And here, basically, you will find the language option, Windows Display Language. So as you can see, I am using a Windows 11 Home Single Language. So I do have all the two options here, English United States and English Philippines. So as you can see, your Windows license only supports one display language. As you can see on this instructions, if you see Windows 11 Home Single Language, next to Edition, you have Single Language Edition of Windows 11, and you can't add a new language unless you purchase an upgrade to either Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro. So you just need to upgrade to be able to add another language. Now here on preferred languages, so you can see Microsoft Store appears, or apps will appear in the first supported language in this list. So basically you can change this, and you can see the changes on your language when you are using Microsoft Store. So that's all. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.